On November 5, 2023, a California Highway Patrol motorcycle officer began pursuing a silver Toyota Prius. A sheriff's K-9 deputy and another CHP officer soon joined the chase. The suspect, Zachary Wolfscott, then hit a man on a motorcycle with his car, damaging his own vehicle in the process. Wolfscott got out of the car holding a knife and ignored repeated police commands to stop. A sheriff's deputy fired 2 shots at him after he continued approaching. Video footage showed Wolfscott falling, then standing up again and attempting to stab the injured motorcyclist lying on the ground.
Drop the knife! Drop the knife!
K-4, we have a 901 and shots fired. Officers are okay, suspect down. Start code 3 fire.
Check out this incredible footage captured by a police dash cam showing a massive gas explosion in Wisconsin. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Dashcam footage released by the Florence County Sheriff's Office shows a woman trying to escape from deputies during a traffic stop on July 12th. The driver, 22-year-old Brittany Nicole Jeffords, refused to stop on North Cashua Street, leading police on a chase. During the pursuit, Jeffords hit several police vehicles. She briefly stopped in a parking lot, where a male passenger got out and was arrested. She then sped off again, continuing the chase onto Black Creek Road and the TV Road area. The chase ended when Jeffords lost control of her SUV, causing it to flip multiple times. She was thrown from the vehicle and taken to a hospital. Tasha Sponsler, 33, was arrested after a wild escape from police in Alto, Texas. She was first detained for suspected shoplifting, but managed to slip out of her handcuffs, climb into the front of a police SUV, and drive off while officers were distracted.
Yeah, about that.
She led police on a high-speed chase, reaching 100 miles per hour and nearly hitting several officers. Sponsler was seen trying to grab a locked shotgun inside the vehicle. The chase ended when troopers forced her off the road, and she crashed into a tree. Police found meth on her, and she now faces multiple charges, including escape, vehicle theft, drug possession, and assault on an officer. No one was hurt, but the police SUV was badly damaged. The Waukegan Police Department released footage of a fatal officer-involved shooting that occurred on February 3, 2019. The incident happened when a man tried to run over a police officer with his car.
828, shots fired, shots fired. That Honda A Queen Adam plate.
The officer fired at the driver, 18-year-old Asuncion J. Gomez Guerrero, who was killed at the scene. A female passenger in the car suffered only minor injuries, according to police.
I'm going back to my car.
On August 7, 2019, Lake County State's Attorney Michael G. Nairheim ruled that the officer's actions were reasonable and appropriate, and no charges were filed.